Hi all, so today I received my package from Amazon. Guess what it is? This is Aonsen 4-piece lightning cable package. These cables are nylon braided and are gold plated. They have 4 pieces inside. There are 2 6 feet long pieces, 1 3 feet long and 1 10 feet. Let's go ahead and unpack it. Look at that. All 4 wires in the package, just like that. 2 of them are 6 feet long, 1 is 10 feet long, and 1 is 3 feet long. What else do we have inside the package? Apparently nothing. I'll leave that aside. Let's go ahead and open them and see how well they work. Not the best packaging I've ever seen, but you know, will work out. Not bad. The wires feel that they are good. Material is nice, braided. And I think this is 3 feet, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 10. So 4 cables for just the price of $18.99 as of August 22nd, 2016. Well, I will be trying them out and see how well they work for my phone, and I'll let you guys know. I like the finishing, it's really strong. Hope they work as expected. Thank you for watching my video. Please ask any questions if you have, and I'll post later on how well they worked. Bye for now.